It's the new 2020 MacBook Pro, bro, faux show. Why do I always try to make everything rhyme? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So in front of me, I have the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. So without any further ado, I'm gonna stretch, get ready for this right here. Can't pull any muscles doing the unboxing. Yes, I take unboxing that seriously. First thing you're gonna see, the box, you get the MacBook Pro. On the front, you get a little MacBook Pro logo, Apple logo on the sides, and then of course more information about the actual model and all that on the back. But now for the good part. Oh, it feels so good. Love that. Well, the first part of that was cool. And here we go. Let's flip this thing over, open it up. Every time. Come on. And it's unboxed. Ooh, there it is, the MacBook Pro 2020 13-inch. We will take a look at it on this little tab. It pulls out the MacBook Pro. Okay, feels good, feels solid. But before we get into that, we do need to see what else comes in the box. So you can see, designed by Apple in California, this little packet of information under which is your actual adapter, your power adapter. We're gonna talk about that in a second. But in this packet of information, you open this up, let's see what we get. This looks like a little quick start guide, nice. Also, in this packet of information, you get some warranty, safety information. Oh yes, and of course, your stickers that I almost took my eye out with. That was very close. Your Apple stickers, which I have hundreds of and still am yet to decide on what to do with, and that's it. Of course, like we just said, you do have your power adapter. We will quickly, little bonus cellophane removal right here. This is gonna be fun. That should have been a lot more sexy than it was, but alas, there it is. The 61-watt USB-C based power adapter, you can see, it's actually a USB-C output here, so that's where the USB-C cable included with your purchase comes into play. So if you were to undo this, which we will quickly do, I always feel like there's a special way to do this, and I always kind of just end up ripping it apart. Maybe there's not a special way, but there's that. And then you do have this, I forget exactly what the length is of this USB-C cord, but as you can see, pretty lengthy. I'm gonna say 6 feet, maybe, give or take. That's plenty of wire, plenty of space to actually have if you have to actually work with this plugged in. So obviously, USB-C, you have one USB-C cord, end of the cord, USB-C, end of the USB-C cord in the power adapter, and then of course the other end of that all the way down here is another USB-C based. Oh, we didn't remove the cellophane from that yet, so I'm not actually gonna show you that yet. I just forgot about that. But this is, of course, USB-C, and this will plug into your MacBook into one of the two Thunderbolt 3 ports that you do have. So as exhilarating as that was, looking at the power adapter, let's look at the main star of the show, the MacBook Pro itself. Removal of the cellophane. You only get to do this once. Don't screw it up, BMAC. I feel like I transcend into heaven every time that happens. That's very dramatic, but it's pretty accurate. Little beep boop right there, little beep boop right there, and here we go. The MacBook Pro, let's open it for the first time. There it is with the new Magic Keyboard, a scissor-based keyboard as opposed to the butterfly keyboard that we all know how that went. We have this little cellophane that, oh actually, I don't know, tissue paper. We just removed it, that was the tissue paper. And check her out. She looks so good. There's your touch bar, which feels really good actually. You also have your Touch ID button right there, as well as your physical escape key, something new on the English as the main language. Oh, she's talking to me. She wants me to select a language. English? What's happening? Ooh, that touch bar, you know, what do you guys think of the touch bar? I know some people really do like it, some people don't. I would like to see more applications and more actual uses for the touch bar, but I will say, I think it's come a long way, and I do think it's got a long way to go still with the full potential that it has. But before I get any further, this is not a review video. It is simply an unboxing video. I will just say, overall, it's kind of what you would expect from the MacBook Pro design. Feels good, super portable, 13-inch, so that's nice. But even though it's just 13 inches, from what I understand, this thing is a pretty capable workhorse of a computer, at least to an extent. But there I go, starting to review it already. More of that in the actual review. So that is the unboxing of the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch. If you guys are interested in finding out more about the 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro, or just to cop one for yourself, you guys could actually head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/2020 MacBook Pro 13. That is bmac.link/2020 MacBook Pro 13 to learn more, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. And while you're at it, do me a favor real quick, comment your initial thoughts of the 13-inch MacBook Pro in 2020. Do you like it? Are you excited for it? Are you gonna pass on it? Comment down below, let me know. And of course, to check out the full review of the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch, don't forget to subscribe. That video will be dropping shortly. Gonna spend a little bit of time with this MacBook Pro, get to know it, get acquainted with it. My new girlfriend. That's sad, don't say that, BMAC. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. That actually wouldn't even make sense if I called this MacBook Pro my girlfriend, because technically then I'd be cheating on my girlfriend. My girlfriends, because I call my iPhone my girlfriend, I call my iPad my girlfriend, I even call my Apple TV my girlfriend. I have a lot of girlfriends, I guess. All of which are inanimate objects.